Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you on how to add your Amazon affiliate link to your YouTube videos. So as you can see here, this is a great way to earn extra income by recommending your products. So here, of course, you need to get your Amazon affiliate link. So if you're not signed up yet, you just need to go to Amazon Associates. So once you're signed up here, you just need to search for the product you want to recommend, and then you will be able to see here a toolbar called Site Strap or at the top of the Amazon page. As you can see here, you'll be able to see here the Get Link button. Here, you can either decide you want a short link or a full link. So after that one, you just need to copy that one. So I'm just gonna copy this one. So here, after this one is I'm gonna paste this one. So going back to the other website, which is your YouTube studio, you just need to open a content tab and then upload your video connecting to your product. So after that one is you just need to open the content tab and choose the video you want to add the link to. So in the description box, you just need to paste your Amazon affiliate link you want to add quick call to action, something like check out this product here. So or the product link. So that's an example. And then after that one is you can also add a disclaimer that you earn from qualifying purchases is usually enough. And then after that one is for more visibility, you can also add your link in a comment and pin it. Or you can put the description, just go to comments for the product link. And to stay within Amazon rules, make sure you're not using Amazon affiliate links in paid ads or trying to mislead people about your connection to Amazon. And that's it, guys. Now you have know how to add Amazon affiliate links to your YouTube video. This can be a great way to earn passive income, so give it a try. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.